javOSize is the best-in-class troubleshooting and repairing automation tool for Java applications that allows you to find and fix performance and functional problems with a Unix-like command line interface and without restarting your application server. Using javOSize is as easy as attaching it to a running JVM. Let's see the main benefits it can bring to you. javOSize offers a command line interface that allows you to interact with the JVM with no extra configuration and without restarting. Let's execute one transaction in the browser. We can see there is no response from the server. Using javOSize, we can easily find and fix the problem. If we go to the threads entity and execute the ls command, javOSize will show a summary about all the running threads, including the CPU they are consuming and the execution time. We can see there is a thread with a high CPU consumption and execution time that is stuck in the method doGet of the class myPackageHello. I can check details of the thread with the command cat, and javOSize shows the URL the user is asking for, the application, and a full stack trace amongst other details. Now I know that when my users execute /sample/hello URL, they are stuck in the method myPackageHello doGet. We can now go to the classes entity and search for the class hello. With the vi command, we can see the source code and easily identify that there is a loop where I'm updating the wrong counter. We have identified the problem, but what will you say if I tell you that you can also fix it without waiting for a patch, and what's more important, without restarting your application server? Just use the vi editor to change the code and save changes. Next time a user accesses the URL, you'll get the right content back. javOSize allows you to automate tasks in your JVM. Inside the SM entity, we can execute any new code inside our JVM using the command exec. In order to illustrate this example, I will just execute a system.out.println that will print some text in the standard output of my application server. If I do a tail -f in the log file and execute the code, I can see the new trace. But apart from executing code on demand, I can create recipes for the most common tasks that I can load in javOSize using the load command in the repository entity. Recipes are written in JSON format. This particular one is just a sample recipe that prints some message in the standard output. We can come back to javOSize and load the recipe by typing load and the name of the recipe itself. Using ls, I can check that my recipe has been loaded, and using the exec command, I can run my recipe on demand. Again, if I come back to the log file, I see the new trace that is printed by the recipe. However, apart from executing them on demand, I can also schedule them so they will be executed in a time basis. For doing that, I just have to go to the scheduler entity and create a new scheduling with the command create. I just have to give it a name, the frequency in minutes, the recipe I want to execute, and any parameters it may receive. Using the ls command, I can check the new scheduling I have created for sample recipe. The last key concept of javOSize is that it provides a common management interface for any Java environment. It doesn't matter which JVM or which application server you are using. javOSize standardizes the troubleshooting tasks such as taking information of threads, dumping the content of the memory, purging the data of a session, or forcing a garbage collection. Just learn one tool and troubleshoot any application server. For example, javOSize allows you to interact with the JMX interface without reconfiguring and restarting your application server. We can see the list of mbins offered by the application server just by executing the ls command and inside the JMX entity. If we want details about a particular mbin, we can execute cat followed by its name. Let's check, for example, the memory mbin. javOSize will list all the attributes of this mbin and their values and the available operations as well. This mbin allows us to force a garbage collection, for example. We can execute any operation using the exec command. In this short overview, we have seen the key benefits of using javOSize for troubleshooting or repairing your applications. It has much more features that we expect you to try. Do not hesitate. Download it for free and start javOSizing your applications.